Hello kids, good morning. I hope that all of you fit and fine at home. Okay. Um, Now we are. Let's start the reference book chapter number 1. Okay. There is a subject is EVS. Okay. Environmental Studies. Okay. It's for the English medium class. And there is a chapter 1. Let's go to school every day. Okay, let's go to school every day. Okay, it is a topic related about to school, how to go school. Okay, if their area, okay, if the area villages area, if the cities area, okay, there is a many requirement of different types of vehicle we can use for go to school. Okay, it's our routine, so we can go. Okay, some students, okay, some students going with bus, going with van, going with personal vehicle, going with bicycle, going with car. Okay, so it's related to their area also. Okay, now we are on let's go to school every day. Okay, in our India's constitution, there is our country's constitution, there is they has given to every child. Okay, they given to every child the right to education. Okay, each and every child to right to get education. Okay, we have some school also. Okay, they give us they give us a education by. Okay, and children of many villages. Okay, many villages and the cities areas, they come from a cities area, they come from a villages area, but they have a some problem to face to go to school. Okay, they face some problems, just like if the school is nearer, then they go with walking. Okay, by leg, they are going with walking. If the school is very far away, then they can use a bicycle also, they can use a auto rickshaw also, they can use a van also, they can use a personal vehicle also. Okay, so it's a daily, it's a routine problem they face there. Okay, mean they how to they go to school, how. So there is a means if there is a different India has a many different features means the some has a mountains, some has a forest, some has a desert, some has a plain area, so some has a river also, some has a near coastal area also. So it's because of that they our people means the mostly the student face the this problem. Okay, if the condition there, if there is a waterway, okay, they cross the waterway. How they cross? They cross by a boat, they cross by a bridge, over bridge. Okay, so it's a problem they face. If there is a rainy season, if there is a winter season, if there is a summer season also cause a problem. Okay, so if there is a rainy season, there is a lot of water in a rivers. So how they go. Okay, so mostly students face their problems also. Okay, many areas, just like in Gujarat there is a Bet Dwarka, it is a area that there is a island, just like island. So there is a people means the students go to school by a boat. They can use a boat. And many areas, some has mountain area. Okay, Dang, just like Dang, which is the mountain area also, and the forest area also. So So people, the students face the problem. Okay, they cross the forest also. Okay, it's a very risky to cross the forest. Okay, and there is a no vehicle. Okay, so they going with by leg, means the walking. Okay, so different areas there is a different types of problem face the students. Okay, in a desert area. Okay, Rajasthan is a desert area, so they face the problem. They students go with go to school with the use of the camel cart. Okay, camel cart, they use a camel cart. If many villages students use a bullock cart also. Okay, and some cities area they use a vehicle just like van, bus, scooter. Okay, personal vehicle. Okay, so they face the problem. It's a daily routine problem. So different types of area and different types of problem they face. Many areas is the very hilly area, just like Himalayan range area. Okay, which is the mountain and rocky area. So there is not easy to go school. Okay, the children used trolley means the rope way. Okay, they can use a rope way. By rope way means it is one iron road tied with there, and they cross. There is a trolley which is tied on it, and they sit in a trolley, and they cross the bridge. They cross the mountain area of. Okay, so it's a very dangerous to cross this area. Okay, and there is a Dang region is a very mountainous area. So there is a forest, and the Gir forest also dangerous to cross through there. Okay, so in our society. Okay, many children go with different types of vehicle they can use. Okay, if there is a rivers, they can use a boat. Okay, if there is a villages area, then they can use a bullock cart. If there is a desert area, then they can use a camel cart. If there is a hilly area, then they can use a bridge. They can use a overbridge. They can use a ropeway. Okay, and by walking. So it's a problem to face. How to go to school. Okay, then there is in our society many people have various types of disabilities. Disability means they have some problem, and it's caused from to birth also, and if it is also caused any accident after any accidentally. Okay, it's caused by any accidentally. So it's a many students have problem. Okay, so many some is handicapped. Okay, some is handicapped means they can not work like us. By they cannot use their hand, they cannot use their legs and hands not work like us. So we can say it is a handicap. They use a stretcher. Okay, stretcher is a wheelchair. Okay, they can use a wheelchair to go anywhere, and it is very disabled people. Okay, it is disabled means who cannot easily do their routine work. Okay, so they cannot walk, they cannot do their daily routine work easily. So, and many students also are blind people means they cannot see. They cannot see with their eyes. Okay, so their life is very lonely. Okay, and we must help them in any work of this type of people. Okay, and blind people, they can use a stick, white stick, to go anywhere. Okay, they use a stick. And there is a deaf and dumb people. Okay, deaf and dumb people, which is we cannot listen to any words, they cannot see anything, they cannot listen, they cannot speak also. Okay, so deaf and dumb people, okay, deaf and dumb, they cannot express their way, what they want, what is in their mind. So they easily, they cannot easily talk. They it's a the life of them very very the life of them very harmed. Okay, and we have such a people are known differently abled. Okay, such a people are differently abled people, we can say, not a disabled people, it's a differently abled people, we can say. Okay, so we must help them. Okay, if there is any this type of people, then we must help them. And we always we always sensitive, we should be sensitive and sympathetic on it. And there is a self risk, we it's sure. Okay, we ensure that their self respect is not harmed. Okay, so it's our duty. Okay, and these children, many children of many states of like Jammu Kashmir, there is a Ladakh area, there is a Kashmir, Assam, Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, so the different types of area, they face the different types of problem to go to school. Okay, if a hilly area, then they cross the road, they cross by walk. Okay, if there is a simple flat area, a flat area means not odd even area. Okay, then it's a flat area, then they can use a bicycle also, scooter also. Okay, van also, bus also. Okay, and when villages area, they can use a cart, just like a camel cart, bullock cart. Okay, okay, it's and if there is a hilly area, they can use a ropeway also. Okay, if there is a water area, then they can use boat also to go to school. Okay, related to this chapter, we have some blanks, we can see here on the board. There is some blanks. Okay, a blank is built on a river to construct a road over it. Okay, a blank is built on a river to construct a road over it. It means the if there is a river there and we can cross them, then there is a make a road, like just like they make a road on the river. What we can say there, it is a bridge. Bridge. Bridge is built on a river. Okay, a bridge is built on a river to construct a road over it. Now the second, the use of a camel cart is seen more in a blank area. Where the use of camel cart. Okay, the use of camel cart. When we use the camel cart. When we use the camel cart, the use of the camel cart is seen more in a desert area. Mostly a desert area. The camel is the sheep of the desert. So mostly desert area, they can use a camel cart to go anywhere. Okay, the children also used to go to school by camel cart. Okay, the people also use the camel cart. Now the three children crossing a blank may get to hear sounds of animals and birds. Children crossing a blank may get to hear sounds of animal and birds. Children crossing a blank may get to hear sounds of animals and birds. They hear sounds of animals and birds when they cross the crossing. It's a area. Okay, which type of area they crossing? So it's a forest area. Forest. Okay, children crossing a forest may get to hear sound of animals and birds. Okay, then we are on here. A blank helps a blind person to walk. Okay, a blank helps a blind person to walk. A blind people. Okay, a blank helps a blind people. Which things help to a blind people? Blind people means who cannot see. Okay, who cannot see anything. So it is a blind area. Their eyes not work like other people. So it is a blind people. A blank helps a blind person to walk. The blind person, which thing it's used for? It's a white stick. It's a white stick. Used help to a blind person to walk. Okay, they take with them and they can use. Okay. Now the 5 number. When school is at a distance, the two-wheeler vehicle blank is very useful. Okay, when the school is at a distance, and the only a two-wheeler, which two-wheeler vehicle is very useful for children. Okay, if when the school is at a distance, the two-wheeled vehicle blank is very useful. Which two-wheeler vehicle used for the children to go to school? Okay, if school is at a distance, so it's a bicycle. If the students can easily use this bicycle and they go to school if the school is very distance. Okay, then the 6th number. A camel cart has a blank wheels. A camel cart, okay, which is used in mostly a desert area. So there is a camel cart. They can use a camel cart because a camel is easily walk in a sand. Okay, easily walk in a desert area. So the camel cart has a blank wheels. Okay, the people of the desert area they can use a camel cart to go to school. Okay, so the camel cart has a blank wheels. How many wheels there? It's a 4 wheels. Okay, then while a bullock cart has a blank wheels. If the school at a distance and the students used a bullock cart in a villages area, so there it has a bullock cart has a blank wheels. How many wheels on a bullock cart? It's a 2. The 2 wheels. Okay, the bullock cart has a 2 wheels. Okay, then now we revise it. A bridge is built on a river to construct a road over it. Okay, a bridge is built on a river there. And the use of the camel cart is seen more in a desert area. Okay, if there is a desert area, then they can use a camel cart. Children crossing a blank may get to hear sounds of animals and birds. Okay, children crossing a forest, then they listen the sounds of animals and birds. A blank helps blind people to walk. Okay, the white stick use the helps a blind person to walk. When a school is a distance, the two-wheeled vehicle, okay, which is used by students, it is a bicycle, is very useful for them. And the camel cart has a four wheels. Okay, how many wheels? There is a four wheels to camel cart, while the bullock cart has a two wheels. Okay, then now our chapter number 1 is let's go to school every day is over. Okay, I hope that you must understand. Okay.